it's Destiny back with another bullet journal video for you today. And today I'm setting up my 2019 bullet journal. As you can see, my 2018 bullet journal is really full, and I'll leave a link to my 2018 flip through. I have paper left over from last year just because I started in July, but whatever paper I have left over, I will put in my 2019 spreads if I do run out. Also, I purchased both of these bullet journals from Michaels, and they're only $5 with really good paper quality, which is really great. Also, I highly recommend Michaels because they have really great coupons and prices, and they're really nice. So let's look at my 2019 page ideas. Here I made a spread of all the plans that I had for my bullet journal in the new year. I put things on the left hand side that worked for me and didn't work. And then on the right side, I put the spread ideas that I had, as well as fonts that I wanted to use and the colors that I chose for my 2019 setup. That way I can stay organized. So let's get started. I'm just starting off this bullet journal with my name and email, just in case I leave this behind anywhere and people can contact me. I'm starting off this first page with a quote that reads, "There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind," by C.S. Lewis. I chose this quote because it's a great reminder to not only think about the good things that happened to you in the past, but make sure that you make good memories in the new year. I'm just using my Micron pens, and I'm using different sizes. I use the 03 mostly and 08. And for fine details, I use the 005 pen. And also for the color, I'm using the Tombow dual-ended brush pens. Now I'm going back and adding highlights with a white gel pen. On the next page, I decided to welcome the new year by putting Hello 2019 with a gray and pink marker. Even though it's cliche, I really like the way that it came out. It's a nice clean slate. Now we're moving on to the future log, which I thought was a great transition from the quote and cover page before. And now with my future log, I'm just going in and making small calendars for the new year. Although this step is very tedious, it's a very great way to get organized because most likely you'll start your bullet journaling with only planning a month in advance. Here I made a mistake, but I'm fixing that up with my white gel pen, which is a really easy mistake fixer. Instead of boring you guys, I just decided to go ahead and make some magic happen and go ahead and finish those spreads for you. Now I'm going in and putting the names of the months at the top of each of their calendars. On the right hand side, I put the number of each month to have their plans there. Moving on to the next quote, I have 365 new days, 365 new chances. With that quote, I'm going into my goals page. And this year, I'm going to have goals set up for health, school, social media, and art. And along with my goals page, I'm going to also have my social media tracker. I have a social media tracker here for YouTube as well as Instagram. Here each month I'm just going to write down my following and subscriptions at the end of each month just to keep a track of my growth over time. I feel like this would be a great way to see my progress and not get so discouraged over the year. This will also encourage me to put out more great content for you guys, so make sure you are subscribed, like this video, and comment down below. On the next page, I also have my YouTube video ideas, and I have them in the sections art, bullet journal, and other. So if you have any suggestions or videos that you want to see from me, make sure you comment down below to let me know. And this page, I'm going to go into more detail with another video, but I'm just showing you all, let you know that I do have a pen swatch page. Next, I'm including a snapshots page, and I got a Polaroid camera for Christmas, and to keep track of memories over the year, I'm going to have a page dedicated to all of my Polaroid pictures. That way I don't forget to use it, as well as keeping up with any memories that I make along the way. Next, I got this idea from Amanda Rachel, and it's a space cheat sheet, and this way you can keep up with the spacing of your bullet journal so you don't have to continuously count squares. Next, I just have a page dedicated to my bullet journal spread ideas. Now, this video is finally complete. Thank you all for watching my 2019 bullet journal setup. I hope you plan to bullet journal with me throughout this year and come back to watch any more bullet journal videos from me. Thank you all for watching. Bye!